Follow me. What opportunities will AI plus construction machinery create?
July 29, 2026. The AI plus construction machinery professional contest is now an official part of the competition. Suzhou is China's first and only city to host a national-level professional contest in construction machinery. The 10th China Innovation and Entrepreneurship competition gets underway with a fresh new look. Hosted by the Torch High Technology Industry Development Center of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, China's national EVL competition with the broadest reach, most participants' strongest collaboration and greatest impact. Customer co-creation. Seeking scenario-based, turnkey solutions and proposals for intelligent product assistance and unmanned operations. Autonomous excavation in complex material conditions. Multi-sensor fusion perception in high-dust environments. Innovative solutions for service life assessment and prediction of new energy power batteries. For supporting services, industry-university research collaboration, innovation and entrepreneurship incubation, talent attraction and long-term incubation. Access to an 2 billion RMB plus investment fund. A vast 6,700 hectare industrial demonstration zone and a 260,000 square meters outdoor test site. Joint training pathways with national graduate colleges for elite engineersat leading universities and direct recruitment for high-paying positions, making the commercialization of innovation outcomes a sustained practice.
The stage is set. Every track is open to entrepreneurs and teams.
Register now and join us in shaping a greener, smarter future.